All right, motocross enthusiasts, this one is for you subscribers. Hello to our existing subscribers and welcome to our new subscribers. We've got a little bit of a tech tip for you. So, commonly, readily available YZ250. This one's a two-stroke. I'm gathering what we're about to talk about is going to be available on, it's going to be the same for the four-stroke range as well, but you just double check. But we're going to be talking foot pegs. Now, as most of you know, a lot of these early CR foot pegs, I mean, this one's okay, as you can see, but a lot of them actually have been through hell and back, shall we say. Some of these older ones, especially like some of these older early 90s bikes, I've got 94 250 here. I mean, those pegs are okay, but we've definitely, could do better. Same with these. And this option will enable you to run a titanium peg, a sharp peg, all that sort of stuff. So what we've got here, we've got a 2024 YZ250 two-stroke. As some of you have seen, it is we're doing a conversion on this one to the 500cc kit. But if you look very closely, that we noticed, the foot peg mount seems very similar. So you're just going to have to bear with me a second. I'm going to pop this camera down as we pull the peg out of this. It's a little bit, so we'll pop the peg out of this. So we've got spring, pin, and peg. Now, let's have a look at, we've got a 95 CR125 here. So same as 250. Oh, it's caught up. Disco, straight in, as you can see. The pin in, push it up, see if we can get it in. Let me just put this camera down for a second. But I'm pretty sure you'll find that the pin, goes through. So that there is a YZ spring, peg, and pin. Now, I would dare say anything that will fit, like I said, your earlier model bikes, like 90, 91, anything that has that sort of clasp over hook, like U-shape on the frame, will work. So that means you can get a nice wide foot peg, a new foot peg onto your old steel frame bikes that's readily available on the shelf. Absolutely no dramas to get whatsoever. You can get Raptor pegs, titanium ones, lightweight, performance pegs. So that's going to be a super cool update for your early model CRs, because you can't get pegs for them. It's not easy. And yeah, they're super duper. They get bent, they get damaged. They're nearly 30 years old. So there you go, guys. Subscribers, that one's for you. We're going to keep trying to bring these little tech tips up as we go. But yeah, thank you for subscribing. We really appreciate your commitment to what we're doing to help us help you guys without sounding too cliche. But the more of you there are, the more cool stuff we can do like that. So thanks again for subscribing. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys soon.